Man, I don't know why they told me to lock her up. She seemed perfectly normal. I don't know. It's weird.
You have a lot of crazy crap in your bathroom. Oh my god! That blood's never gonna come out of your carpet. God, you're really starting to smell bad. Oh god, they're gonna think it was me. Crap. You're not. That's better. I didn't know you were here. What are you doing on bed?
Okay, start. Go. 3.
4. Stop it. Stop it.
Go. Good night, big girl.
You know, weird.
Ronnie. Thinking on how weird that's gonna be when you like put it together. Baby girl.
Sit up, baby. Girl.
Baby girl. Okay.
It's not like we
Start
do.
up. Dude, it took me forever to die. I couldn't feel it. Where's the baby? Oh. Ronnie, just how does?
Okay, I have. Did you get that though?
Yeah.
Like ah!
Okay, now we need the baby to stand up. What? We need the baby to stand
Wait,
up.
are we gonna take that? We're gonna use that, or we're gonna redo
Yeah.
it?
Okay, try read it one more time just in case.
Okay, but
Go.
you have a lot of crazy crap in your bathroom. Oh my god! That blood's never gonna come out of your carpet. You got a lot of crazy crap in your pants. Oh my god. You have blood all over the freaking carpet, okay? Oh my god.
Bloopers too. We have a lot.
We have. That's better. Screw this.